that the car's lifted up in the air, we could see the rear subframe, which is pretty simple to remove. Got a couple bolts down there, and we're gonna be putting the Quattro all-wheel drive system. This is gonna be an interesting project. Both fender liners are out. I got both of the bolts that were holding in the shock, and this shock is bad. I got the e-brake out. Remember to use your VCDS to unlock the e-brake and then remove it. Once it's unlocked, you can then remove it. All the lines are disconnected. We just need to unbolt the rear subframe. I messed up a little bit because I didn't take off this cover, but you know what? I broke it on purpose because it's already destroyed, and because I own a parts business, I can easily get this replaced with no problem. This was already broken. Now we can just get that bolt right here. Voila. Front wheel drive rear subframe has been removed. So I was always under the impression that the front wheel drive has a different gas tank, but apparently it's the same. Now that we have cleaned everything for the most part, a little bit more organized than what we had it, we now have the rear subframe bolted on with the differential. I even got the bolt, so this is pretty much a simple bolt on apart from the programming and reflashing and recoding some of the modules, as well as routing the wiring harness, because I don't know exactly where this goes, but I'm pretty psyched about this. This is gonna be crazy. So I guess let's lower the car and see if it spins. I also put new grease in here and new grease in here too. The bushings are all good, so there shouldn't be a problem. I believe there's oil in here. I am not sure the level. I just want to get the wheels spinning, and once the wheels spin, we know everything's done properly. Then we'll need to reconnect the Quattro module and also all this other stuff and change the diff fluid.
See the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you not.
So pretty much I am done. I did all the work myself with the drive shaft, the differential, all that. The only thing I didn't do was change out the power steering because my power steering shorted, so it only goes straight, it doesn't turn left or right. And I need to add brake fluid into the system. I did not do a proper brake flush, so I'm just gonna test it out the car in this little 10 to 20 feet right here going forward and backwards and just see how that goes. I have no brakes and I have no power steering. Wish me luck. Reverse. I still got no power steering. Speedometer. So this right here is the full-on body wiring harness of an Audi S4 Quattro, and it's pretty nice because it has everything I need for my car. Differential cables, and then here's the all-wheel drive control module where it plugs into. And if we follow these cables, the first splice is the orange and brown, orange and black, whatever. It's CAN bus data lines, signal lines that go into the parking e-brake. That's one right here. And then another one is ground. The next splice, because it plugs into the BCM, but it also plugs into two sensors right here. We have two EPS sensors right here, and it gets spliced in somewhere over here, and it goes to the BCM1. On my first try, I got lucky. I took the friction tape off, and I found the splice. Bingo. And now what I'm doing is I'm wiring up the Quattro all-wheel drive wiring harness, which goes from the trunk to the rear right, to under the seats, to under the driver's seat, and then it goes into, I think, the BCM1 with splices like this, three-way splices. So this is going to be fun and entertaining because I got to take the whole interior apart, and I have to drill a hole right here for the original hole. Apparently the Quattro Audis, they weld in a different trunk with a hole right there. I don't know why they just didn't put a plug in it. Like there's a plug here, but that's for the trailer. So I gotta drill a hole right here, and I gotta route all the cables, CAN bus, and then route it to the fuse box, power. I gotta ground it right here, and all the way these CAN bus lines, two of them get spliced in the air, and then this one goes all the way to the driver's seat for two, I think it's called 2 yaw sensors. So I just drilled a hole, but it's a little bit too big, but that should be fine. I could always just seal it around there. Now we can just fish all these cables and plug in the Quattro. Luckily there's nothing back there, no heat shield, not a gas tank. It's easy pass through. Not too bad. It's all plugged in though. I gotta redo the wires and the locations later on, but this is just to get the car a more safer driving experience. Now in the CAN gateway, I have to enable the all-wheel drive module, save coding, coding accepted, and we should be able to clear at least a few of these faults. Well, the coding is now fixed, but I'm still gonna get combination open because I have a few CAN bus lines open for the sensors under the door, under the driver's seat. 5 years later.
You don't stop.
You shooting flames on the back?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Go one more move. One more move. Be careful the hood don't open.
I tried it with the
Oh, all right. You can send it a little bit, just a little pull. Bro, he's not gonna sleep tonight. For real. Like 7 in the morning, he gonna be here tomorrow.
Yep.
He go call sick. He go call sick on the job, and then he go come here straight. I know.
Hey man. Main thing is done. Car is running now.
Yeah.
My miles per hour stopped working.
It's not working?
Yeah, I just
It stops?
yeah. Now it doesn't go past like 5 miles an hour.
Oh, maybe it's on safe mode or something.
Try and go faster.
Yeah.
Try and go faster.
Oh, it's sleep mode. I think it's sleep mode.
Alright, just turn it off the car and turn it on again. And the sleep mode go away. This is why you don't hear flames on the back again.
Probably. Did you go away?
Trying to find out.
Yeah, go away.
Yo!
Project car.
Project car problem, dog, bro. Yo, there you go.
Sorry about the glove box.
Glove box, bro? What the heck? Look, what? Whoa! Look at this. What is this? Light?
Yeah,
Nice.
don't turn it on. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, shit.
Alright, let's go for a drive.
Hold on. Bro.
Am I-
You keep filming that shit. Oh, man. Oh,
You gotta
no.
close it from there.
There you go. Oh, no. It don't close.
And I can't see anything.
Yo, that's amazing.
Yep. It goes into limp mode.
Goes in the limo.
Yeah, it keeps going to limp mode. My miles per hour stopped working again. Transmission clutch engagement after Quattro is working a little bit better now. And my brakes are so spongy. I'm pressing it, nothing happens. I'm trying to get to 7 gears. I'm trying to hit all 7. No brakes. I cannot hit 7 gears. I have to go on like a longer stretch of road. Oh my god! I said screw it, I'm taking the highway. Unfortunately, I think I busted my drive shaft on the car or differential. Something is not right. When I'm pressing the gas, I hear the engine spinning, the RPM going fast, but I'm not getting any power to my rear wheels. So I'm pretty sure I busted my differential because it makes a really loud sound, like a screeching sound. So, yep, I gotta wait for a tow. Unfortunately, I was not able to drive it. Like the past couple weeks I've been driving it with no problem. I had it over 50 miles and something broke.